Hello, welcome to another video. This one's going to be a quick one about an Easter egg in Python. I've done a bunch of other Easter egg videos as well, so search YouTube for those. Or check out the playlist in the description, either way. But yeah, we're going to talk about this Easter egg today. And it's fairly easy to execute. You just have to run python 3-m this, or if you do python 3 and just do import this, either of those work. There's an import side effect of printing the Zen of Python, which from some history was originally posted to the mailing list, and it is documented in PEP20, which channels some guiding ideas about how Python is set up. Now, there are actually some kind of Easter eggs embedded inside of the Easter egg, oddly enough. Like if we look at this line, for instance, it's poking some slight fun at our unary minus minus operator, which isn't present in Python, but it is present in other languages. But this talks about some guiding principles in Python, and it's fairly accessible to just import this. Little teeny tiny Easter egg. There's actually a song for this that somebody made. I'm not gonna sing it though. Maybe I'll sing it on stream. But anyway, this is PEP20. This is import this. Hopefully you found this interesting. If there are additional things you would like me to explain, leave a comment below. Reach out to me on the various platforms. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.